Hey guys, it's Michael and
Killer Hack.
what?
Killer Hack.
Killer Hack. It's Michael and Killer Hack, and we're opening a Echo Dot. No, what did we get? Do you remember?
You said Alexa.
It's an Echo Cube. So it came in a very envelopey type of package, and then this has plastic on it. So here's a piece of tape. Yep. Boom. Did I just hit you?
No.
It's a smooth box. Off the plastic. Does it say anything on it?
Your face. If you turn it around, there's an Amazon and it says like control your TV, voice fastest, powerful, you know. And then the Fire TV Cube, as you guys can see. And what I was talking about, you guys can pause the video. Yep.
Alright, so it is in a box. Does it look like, can you see where to open it?
Like,
oh, there's a sticker right here.
there's a sticker right there, and also, like, it looks like it just unfolds on this side.
On this side?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if we can figure it out. So there's a little ledge here. No, I don't
Battery running low.
Oh no.
6 p.m.
Oh, okay, good. Alright, so let's see. Do we push this out? No.
Or it might be the other side. Because that side has like two sides disconnected, two sides connected.
Okay. Ah, look right here. There's a little piece of tape right here that we gotta get our fingernail under.
You might be calling us stupid.
That's what happens when you have a blind person trying to open it, huh? I don't think we're stupid, but alright, so now we got this piece of tape off.
See? I just zoomed it in all the way.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Alright, now, see, then that pulls up. And then we can set it down. Ooh, fancy.
Fancy, fancy.
If you use this much meat again next time, we should definitely use 2 cans.
Okay. So then we got this cube box thing. It's wrapped in plastic. Does it say
And see,
anything on it?
there's the volume and stuff. On the side it says Fire Cube TV Cube proper placement. Undestructive facing where you sit at least 1 foot away from the speakers, not in a closed cabinet. See quick start guide for more information.
Which is right here. So we got these. So that's quick start guide. So that was on the left side of the box if you open it with the top part facing to your left. And then underneath that was some paperwork stuff here. And then underneath that was a remote, which I'll get out here in a minute. To the left of that is a box with lots of cables. See all those?
And then whatever those white things are in the corner, batteries.
Right. Yep, batteries for the remote. Man, that's been our luck with the last 2 unboxings. And then when you pull that box out that was to the left with all the cables, there's a little place you can put your fingers down and pull out the remote. And then there's the remote wrapped in plastic. So
Want to unwrap it?
yeah, go ahead. That's the unboxing. We're gonna. My initial thoughts will be at youronplay.com/dm51, which is not live when this video goes live. You can hear why we picked this up at youronplay.com/dm50, which will be live when this video goes live. So we have a. Okay. Interesting. This is. What is this? Oh, a headphone jack. Or something. Does it say anything on it?
If you can hold it, I can tell you. Hold this for a second.
Oh, the phone.
Yeah. It says Amazon.
Oh, that's all it says on it is Amazon?
Yeah.
Of course.
I'm going to unwrap this one.
Alright, you unwrap that.
Yeah.
And then we have, it did come with an Ethernet adapter. USB-C Ethernet adapter, set that aside.
Says Amazon.
That says Amazon as well. We've got this power cord. It's a square
Says
power
Amazon.
cord. Says Amazon as well. Looks like it's a round connector. It's not a standard connector. Although I think this it may not be the same voltage or have the same power as the Echo Dot, but it looks like the same charger to me.
Looks like it's from Amazon.
Yeah, imagine that. You done opening that?
This feels fancy.
What, the remote? Let me see
You
it.
want me to take off the second layer of plastic?
Yeah, go ahead. Open it up the remote.
It's over the like buttons and stuff.
We are keeping this so we can throw the box away. I just wanted to figure out how to open the box properly.
That feels fancy.
Does it? Ooh, it does have a cheap plasticky feel. I almost threw the box away with the batteries in it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 buttons, 10, 11 buttons, and then a D-pad that goes up down the front. So why don't we go through these buttons? What's this button say?
That button is the off,
That one?
mute or unmute.
And this is up, down, left, right, and okay, right?
Yeah, it doesn't say anything on
Okay,
it. It's
what's
just
that
big circle. Yeah, put your finger on it. Back, home. That one would be menu, I'm guessing.
Okay.
Three lines.
So let me explain this to blind people. When you're holding the remote facing the cube, back is on the left, home is in the middle with a dot, and we're guessing menu is the one on the right. What's the one under back?
To go back in your shows,
Oh, rewind, and that's
Yeah.
play,
play.
and then fast forward. So
Yes.
the next row is rewind, play, fast forward. I'm guessing this is probably volume.
Yes,
And then what's this button
Mute.
right here? Is that mute, or is that a microphone?
mute. It's like a It's like
So-
a microphone with an X over it, so it's just mute.
Maybe because this one mute or just a microphone?
Like
'Cause
this
one of-
one's microphone, this one's mute.
Okay, so the very bottom one we think is mute. Very top one, well, the second one down is probably the microphone button to talk to the A lady. So
To talk to the A lady, yeah, A lady.
yeah, A lady. We don't want to set off their A ladies. And then on the back, there's a little recessed place that you put your thumb and you.
I might to click the picture button.
Do you see how to open this?
Yes, if you hold it. This is actually kind of hard, but I see how to open it.
How do you open it? Let me see.
You need to slide that part down. Like, look how big that opens.
That is big. All right, hold this.
I'm guessing they have big
Let's put some
batteries.
force in here. I feel like I'm going to break the remote by trying to slide it open. We may have to go get Master Andrew. See, here, let's go see if Andrew can do it. Andrew, can you open that? So it's not just us.
Watch the satisfyingness of the talk of me cooking while we're waiting.
Are you getting a knife?
Butter knife.
For what?
To open it.
Is that how hard it is? Man.
I also don't have any nails, so
Are we supposed to?
you're supposed to push it open. But my hands have
Here, let me
the steam on it, so
I'll
I
try
can't,
it again.
I can't push on it.
Okay.
You're supposed to push on that up.
Will they stop watching the satisfyingness of the taco meat?
Okay, well, when we get the remote open, we will.
Is it a Facebook Live?
No.
What is it?
YouTube video.
Oh, it's just YouTube?
Yep. When we get the video this open, I will share my thoughts at youronpay.com. Do you have anything else you want to say, Nicholas?
No.
Okay.
End
Yeah,
it.
yeah, go ahead and end it.